Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Imagine a workplace where everyone's ideas are heard, respected and valued. Where leaders don't just manage people but truly understand them. That is what the modern world calls inclusive leadership, and it is transforming organizations across the globe. In an age where diversity defines success, traditional command and control leadership no longer works. What companies need now are leaders who can connect with people from all walks of life, with empathy, fairness, and respect. This is exactly what ISO 30415, the international standard for diversity and inclusion, defines as the future of leadership. Now let's discuss what is inclusive leadership. Under ISO 30415, inclusive leadership is defined as a leadership approach that recognizes and values individual differences, builds trust, and ensures that everyone feels empowered to contribute fully. It is not about treating everyone identically. It is about creating equal opportunities for everyone to succeed. An inclusive leader doesn't just lead from authority. They lead from empathy. They ensure that every voice, from the newest intern to the senior expert, is heard and appreciated. Now let's have a look on the core principles that shape inclusive leadership. Principle 1. Awareness and self-reflection. The journey of inclusive leadership starts with self-awareness. ISO 30415 emphasizes that leaders must be conscious of their own biases, assumptions, and behaviors. Everyone has unconscious preferences, but great leaders recognize them and work to overcome them. Self-reflection means asking questions like, am I giving equal opportunity to everyone? Do I value all opinions equally? Am I aware of the barriers my team members face? By reflecting on these questions, leaders grow emotionally intelligent and gain deeper understanding of their teams. Awareness turns authority into authenticity, and authenticity builds trust. Now, Principle 2. Empathy and active listening. ISO 30415 identifies empathy as one of the cornerstones of inclusive leadership. True leaders don't just listen to respond, they listen to understand. They make time to hear team members' concerns, ideas, and experiences without judgment. Empathy creates emotional connection, and that connection boosts morale, creativity, and trust. When employees feel heard and understood, they feel motivated to give their best. Inclusive leaders use empathy not as a weakness but as a strategic strength, one that builds loyalty and belonging in teams. Now, Principle 3. Equity and fair decision making. A key message of ISO 30415 is that equity is not the same as equality. Equality gives everyone the same resources, but equity gives everyone the resources they need to succeed. Inclusive leaders make their decisions by looking at individual needs and contributions. They ensure that pay, promotions, and recognition are based on merit and transparency, not favoritism. Fairness in leadership removes resentment and creates trust. ISO 30415 pushes organizations to make equitable systems the norm, not the exception. Now, Principle 4. Cultural intelligence. In today's global environment, workplaces are melting pots of cultures, language, and traditions. ISO 30415 highlights cultural intelligence as a must-have skill for every leader. This means understanding and respecting how cultural backgrounds influence people's thinking, communication, and motivation. Now, Principle 5. Collaboration and co-creation. Inclusive leadership thrives on collaboration, not competition. ISO 30415 teaches that inclusive leaders build trust through shared goals and co-creation. They engage employees in problem-solving and decision-making, valuing input from everyone regardless of position. When people are included in shaping outcomes, they develop ownership and pride in their work. Now, Principle 6. Accountability and transparency. ISO 30415 strongly emphasizes that inclusion must be measurable and transparent. Leaders must be accountable for the culture they create. This means setting clear D&I goals, tracking progress, and sharing results openly with the organization. Inclusive leaders don't shy away from feedback, they welcome it. They know that accountability builds credibility, transparency ensures that everyone sees inclusion as a genuine effort, not just a public statement. In simple terms, accountability transforms intent into impact. Now, Principle 7, continuous learning and improvement. Inclusion is not a one-time project, it is a continuous journey. ISO 30415 encourages leaders to keep learning, evolving, and adapting. The best inclusive leaders invest in training, mentorship, and feedback systems to identify gaps and grow beyond them. They understand that as workplaces change, so must their approach to inclusion. Every challenge is an opportunity to improve. This commitment to learning keeps leaders relevant, empathetic, and ready for the future of work. Leadership for the future. Inclusive leadership is not a soft skill. It is a smart skill. It defines the leaders of the future. Those who lead with empathy, fairness, and courage. ISO 30415 reminds us that inclusion is not a task for HR. It is a responsibility for every leader. When leaders make inclusion part of their daily actions, they don't just create stronger teams. They create better workplaces and a more just society. Because leadership isn't about power, it is about purpose. So if you are a leader, ask yourself today, am I just leading people or am I including them? Because inclusive leadership doesn't just build better companies, it builds a better world. And thanks for watching this detailed session on ISO 30415, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.